I'm Andy. I had full dental implants put in at Premier Choice Dental in Belgrade, Montana. Well, I'd had ongoing issues with my teeth, failing teeth, missing teeth, teeth extracted. It was to the point to where I was going to have to make a decision on where I was going. I did have some crowns. I did have some teeth replaced, and everything seemed to kind of go south on that. Yeah, it was like a domino effect. One tooth would get fixed, then the next one needed to be fixed, or then work needed to be done in another area. Yeah, it was noticeable that I'd had some issues with my teeth. I compensated. I'd chew on one side or the other. In fact, I had given up some foods that I previously enjoyed because I couldn't eat it. I thought the dentures were going to be the easiest option for me until we had our first consultation with Premier Choice. Well, I had no idea what was involved and what to expect. Randy was incredible. He showed me the options that were available, what to expect with each option. I had heard that it was a very intrusive process and the healing time was going to be unbelievable, and the procedure was done on a Friday. I took it easy over the weekend and I was at work Monday morning. No issues at all. The discomfort level was extremely minor for me. I didn't realize until after I'd had the procedure at Premier Choice Dental at how big of an effect it has on your overall health when your teeth are not at optimum performance. I've explained to some of my friends that have similar issues that I have that this is the way to go. Absolute full functionality. I eat what I want. There's no issues whatsoever. They look like my natural teeth. They find a really good balance between being professional and actually making you feel like you're their only customer. They're very, very good at that. Going through the minimal discomfort that I experienced was far less than some of the procedures I had on one tooth or, having a tooth extracted. The full dental implants that I had put in was, the downtime was just remarkable. My journey with Premier Choice was absolutely top shelf.